All right, guys. So got home this evening and decided to get the bed put on. Gonna flip the camera around, let y'all look at that. Appreciate everyone liking and subscribing to the videos. You're gonna notice there's some pieces missing. Those pieces are missing because I've sent those off to powder coat to get like the engine cowl and a couple other, the seat brackets, stuff like that. All that's, like I said, in powder coat. I've got some insulation ordered for the inside of that cowl. AC's up and running. I still need to run some heater hoses for the heater core. Hopefully get that done this weekend. Got all the little oil leaks fixed. Of course, got it out here on my driveway. Been running it, making sure all the leaks are sealed up. But let me flip this around. We'll get some drone footage and show y'all the inside of the bed, and a little more close up, and do a surround video on the truck.